Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have a €9 session, two of my favorite low boys, Araña Deserte and Estrelas Deserte or Lucky Star. Okay, let's start with Lucky Spider. Outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket. We're looking for spider web to win the prize shown. Spider to win €20 automatically. Okay, gonna use Eternity Luck Scratcher. And no. How about this? Come on, ticket. And nada. Okay, our last hope. We're looking for these three symbols, and in the bonus area we're looking for these symbols, guys. Okay, set. No, no, come on. Come on, if one more is jackpot. No. Nada. 7. Last hope. Nada. Okay, so I scratched so fast. There's no win in this session, guys. Okay, so I spent 9 in the bonus area. I win in the bonus area, guys. €20 win. Wow, last hope. The last hope. I won €20, guys. I thought I didn't win anything, but I won €20. Woohoo! Save the session, guys. In the bonus area, we're looking for a star, and I found it. €20. Woohoo! And this is a loser. And a loser. Okay, so I spent 9 and I got back 20. Very nice. It's not a big win, but you know, when you thought that you thought that you didn't win anything, but I won. I always forgot this area, guys, the bonus area. Luckily, today I didn't forget. Okay, so it's a good session, guys. I'm happy with this. It's not a big win. €20 is not a big win, but if you only spend 9 and you win 20, it's a good win. Very nice. Woohoo! First time I won in this area, in the bonus area. So it's a good win, guys. The lottery code of €20. Is it V or U? V, right? Okay, so I spent 9 and I got back 20. Woohoo! Very nice. Awesome session. I'm so happy. You can tell that a person is poor when very happy with €20 win. Woohoo! Big win. No, I'm happy, guys, because I thought there's no win and I won in the bonus area. Yeah. Okay, it's good session for me. I spent 9. Eu gastei €9. Ganhei €20. Woohoo! Muito bom sa casa. Once in a blue moon, you give me coffee money. Okay, no, coffee money for 2 weeks. This is coffee money for 2 weeks, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Obrigada a todos.